it just means, says it just feels special.
Wow. Look at that. Two heft double-edged razors fit into this mechanism. This is the beauty and the innovation here. Now you can get them from leaf heft razors that are laser cut and perfect, but whatever blade you like can buy in bulk, can be used. Astra, Feather, Gillette Silver Blues, snap them in half and they go right in. Toot sweet, you're into a great shave. Dude. All right, I'm running about a week's worth of growth, and I'm gonna go with shave number 2 with the Leaf 2 razor. Nice hefty razor, sort of a hybrid between the cartridge and the DE. All right, looks very much like a cartridge, operates like a DE. I've loaded this up with Derby blades. There we go. This will be my second shave. You might be able to hear the steam cooking in the background. So I'll jump into the shower, I'll clean up, I'll steam up, and then I'm gonna go back to one of my favorites, Gillette foam mousse. You can't get this anywhere, guys. So if you see it, grab it. I'm gonna jump in the shower and I'll get ready for the shave. Dude. All right, second shave. I love this, has a old barbershop smell. It goes on nice and thick and easy out of the can. No lather skills needed. Get that into the whiskers. I'm gonna go with 2.5 to 3 passes today. What I learned during my first shave is this is a very efficient razor. Has no problems dispatching long stubble. Very nice. Smooth. You feel that pivot snap around the jaw. Hefty, hefty razor. And the fact that this is all metal, it's very heat conductive. So you can have that heated razor feel with the economy of regular DE blades. Like the pivot snap around the contours of the face. And as you can see, I'm making quick work of pass number 1, with grain pass. And mixing in a little bit of a cross grain. It does have the feel of a cart. As you can see, I'm taking a fast cut here. I'm out the door, running behind. I don't know if you can see that, 2 blades of fun. Feels nice. Head's still a little big in spots, these 2 spots here, and it's due to the design, but much improved. You can get up into the nooks and crannies adequately. And on the cross grain pass, I'll address that area. This is a cartridge approach. No learning curve to the angle here. And the first pass is in the books. Really, really nice. Nice hefty razor. All right, I'm gonna apply a little bit more near hot water and I'll assess where I need to really concentrate on. Feeling the stubble, places I may have missed. Go back to my Gillette foam mousse. Perfect lather every time. Nice. Look at that. And just has that nice old school barbershop smell from the 70s and 80s. I'm old, guys. Yes, I'm old. Oh, nice. Just, it's funny how smells and music can bring you back to a place. I actually had a meeting yesterday with one of my work buddies, and he had on a sweater. And the sweater, the color of it, the way it was made, just reminded me of, I don't know, just a happy time. And he told me that it was his father's, his late father's, and he was wearing it, and it made me happy. So smells, music, clothing, people, you know, that you haven't seen in a while. They can bring you back. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you know what I'm talking about. Is there a song that just takes you back? Is there a smell that reminds you of like your dad or your grandfather? A lot of guys do that old brute smell. Or better yet, I'm not even going to say it. Tell me what your grandfather used, what scents he used. I would say 80% of you will say the same thing. 80% of you in my age bracket. I'm addressing the under the nose area. And this is a place where you don't want to rush it, and you don't really need to. You don't need to rush it, and you don't need to hassle it. You can get to it. Get yourself a one blade, and it makes getting the areas you missed, the areas that you're not as confident about, trimming, edging, long stubble, elimination. It's the best device I've ever used. And the Leaf products are right behind them, because these razors are just awesome. That was awesome, guys. All right, third pass, just because I have a shaving channel. And that is the beauty of the cartridge razor as well. You really don't need, with the multi-blades, you don't need 2 and 3 and 4 passes. But I'm going to do it because I have a shaving channel. I'm doing it for you. I want to thank Adam Hahn, for sending me the Leaf 2. And Adam Simone, I believe it is. Salamone? Now, this has been an awesome razor to use. I'm going to continue to do a few more shaves. Maybe I'll do 30 days. 30 days. All right, last pass is just the get right pass. And I'm just whisking across the skin. Not looking to do too much. Just trying to get any of those hairs that may be growing out of step. I'm applying slight pressure on the uptake, but that's just because of the angle. Very, very nice. All right, we're gonna come up here. No irritation, no nicks, no cuts, no weepers today. I'm going to leave that just there because I've had a good shave. And I don't want to push it, guys. You don't want to push it. You don't want to look for trouble. When you have a good shave, just let it go. All right, we're going to rinse off with cool water. And the last shave, I was driving around a couple hours later, and I was feeling my skin, and it was great, man. It's just a efficient shave. No irritation, guys. No irritation. So the beauty of this is it provides a cartridge-like shave with all the benefits of your DE blades, all the rabbit hole artisan soaps and alum block and all that niceties, all those niceties. Since we used Ngari Man last time, I'm going to use it again. The Explorer Recovery. It's called Recovery Splash. And it has a really nice feel to it and very low on the fragrance. So it's a nice all day after splash. And there you go, guys. Nice, beautiful shave with the Leaf 2. Check it out, guys. Get over there, pick it up, and let them know the average guy sent you. And I'll see you clowns on the next one. All right, thanks for watching. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the Leaf 2 or any other razor you suggest I test next. And I'll see you clowns next time. But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing play. Now, Haley, roll the music.
Roll the music.
Dude.
Took it like a shot.